budget stream deck. And then I just put a bunch of stickers on it, and that's how I changed my expressions like this and how we change scenes like this. Then I got inspired by the Z-Bud system. Use these molds to pour the resin in the end. And what you do is you put these ones in here, and then you pour silicone over it, and then you get something that looks like this. You pour resin in here, and then you push down the cavity here like this. Boop. Then you are left with basically this keycap. We can model on this base, and we can use that to make a mold out of this. Yeah, so this is Nomad Sculpt. Hey, look at that smile. If you are working with silicone and FDM, there's not a lot to worry about. But if you're working with silicone and resin printing, there are some things to watch out for. And you really need to make sure that there's thin in there, because this one helps with the silicone inhibition. And I have all of these identifiers that tell me what all of the numbers are.